Polilex, where health and prosperity begin. In recent years, the adverse side effects of prescription drugs have turned into a social alert. Authoritative doctors warned that most medicines are just for temporary suppression of disease symptoms. In fact, it will not cure any illnesses. Hence, long-term prescription drug consumption may cause health deterioration and even life-threatening diseases. Our Creator gave us a sun for the purpose of providing us with light and keeping us healthy. Unfortunately, most people are avoiding sun exposure and do not get enough vitamin D for optimal health. A research in England has demonstrated that sunbathe can slow down human aging. Our skin can absorb the ultraviolet rays from the sun and the body transforms it into active vitamin D. Therefore, vitamin D is also known as sunshine vitamin. Researchers have shown that a sufficient level of vitamin D may reduce the risk of autoimmune diseases. A healthy immune system could activate macrophages and killer T cells to defend against invading viruses. However, in modern lifestyle and work environment, most people do not have sufficient exposure to ultraviolet light. Scientists have also proven that vitamin D3 affects over 2,000 genes and that vitamin D3 deficiency has been linked to 300 to 400 diseases, including multiple sclerosis and others. Each spray of Polilex contains more than 10 to the 18th power of polycorsanol nanoparticles. These nanoparticles are designed to bind to VDR, vitamin D receptor, and substitute for the functions of vitamin D3. Once the immune system is working effectively, it will help to detoxify the body, defend against bacteria, fungus and viral infections, correct for imbalanced biomarkers, and improve overall health. Polilex Acametidicol is developed by Dr. Raghavan, who had conducted drug development for more than 25 years. He spent the last 12 years to research natural health medicine and invented these amazing Polilex. He has received patent approval in the United States, China, Australia, Japan, and Canada. Polilex is manufactured in Switzerland and it contains the following ingredients: 0.5% of polycorsanol, 2% of vitamin E, TPGS, 0.5% of food ester, and 97% of Swiss potable water. All these ingredients are classified by the United States Food and Drug Administration, FDA, as GRAS, generally recognized as safe. The human body's biological phenomena is controlled by the cells. Each cell contains 46 chromosomes and the genes are encoded on the chromosomes. An encoded gene is very important because the DNA in the human genome is organized into units of genes. If the organization of the genes is wrong, then it could lead to disease. So, the focus of modern medical research revolves around the DNA. During regular metabolic activities, exposure to bacteria or long-term free radicals may cause damage to DNA. These damages will affect cell communication and interpretation, causing sudden changes in disease. Polilex can help to repair cell damage, stimulate cell regeneration to correct defects in gene transcription, and eliminate many of the genetic diseases. Four significant effects of Polilex are increasing serum vitamin C, increasing adiponectin, inhibiting NF-κB, and reducing TNF-alpha. In human case studies, Polilex has shown to help patients with diabetes, heart disease, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, allergies, kidney problems, liver diseases, bowel disease, arthritis, neurological diseases, osteoporosis, Alzheimer's disease, Crohn's disease, cancer and other health problems. In an independent bacteria and fungus study conducted by Eurofins Biolab in Italy in August 2013, methodical Polilex was added to 3 different bacteria and 3 types of fungus. 1. Staphylococcus aureus, as aureus bacteria can cause skin infections, respiratory disease, and food poisoning. 2. Pseudomonas aeruginosa, P. aeruginosa bacteria can cause pneumonia, urinary tract infection, gastrointestinal infection. 3. Escherichia coli, E. coli bacteria can cause food poisoning, gastroenteritis, urinary tract infections, and neonatal meningitis. 4. Zygosaccharomyces roxy, a type of fungus. 5. Candida albicans, C. albicans fungus can cause oral and genital infections. 6. Aspergillus braziliensis, A. braziliensis fungus can cause cough, fever, chest pain, and difficulty in breathing. The protocol for Polilex is very simple. Take 3 Polilex sprays once or twice a day. When particles enter the bloodstream, their sizes dictate the organs they are likely to become trapped in. Particles larger than 3000 nm may end up in the lungs, particles larger than 300 nm in the spleen, and particles larger than 100 nm in the liver. Most health supplements in the market have a particle size of over 600 nm. That is why they are not effective. Polilex nanoparticles are around 40 nm in size. Therefore, Polilex is more effective in improving the immune health